The next class of our nutrition is minerals. Even minerals form a prominent component of a balanced diet. And what does these minerals consist of? These minerals can be calcium, phosphorus and various iron, iodine. So these are various types of minerals which must be present in a balanced diet because they are the essential minerals. Now what calcium and phosphorus is supposed to do? These calcium and phosphorus, they are involved in strengthening of bones and teeth, as well as phosphorus is an important component of ATP. ATP is adenosine triphosphate, which is actually a chemical energy which is required by our body. Our body requires chemical energy. Since it is adenosine triphosphate, this means it contains 3 phosphate, and therefore phosphate or phosphorus, it is one of the essential component of this chemical form of energy which is known as ATP. Now what are the different sources from where we can get this calcium and phosphorus? One is from milk, meat, eggs, pulses, vegetable and many more sources from which calcium and phosphorus is obtained. Next mineral is iron, which is even a very important component of red blood cells because red blood cells contain a red color pigment which is known as hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin contain the iron atoms in the prosthetic center. The center of this hemoglobin, it contains iron. So iron is also one of the most important component of our blood because it is a important component of the hemoglobin. The next component is iodine. Iodine is the essential part for the functioning of thyroid gland. So whenever there is deficiency of iodine, it will result in malfunctioning of thyroid gland, and various thyroid gland diseases will result as due to lack of this iodine. Now what are vitamins? Since vitamins also necessary because they are known to maintain a healthy body. For maintenance of a healthy body, we require an adequate supply of vitamins. These vitamins include vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. Since all these vitamins, they are fat soluble, that therefore they can be retained in our body for a very long time. However, vitamin B, it is a water soluble vitamin and therefore it cannot be retained in our body for longer time. So this is what is the basic difference between these vitamins. Now moving on to various diseases which result as a deficiency of these various minerals and vitamins. The first deficiency which is resulting from vitamin A. It is the deficiency disease which results in the loss of vision. So night blindness or loss of vision is due to deficiency of vitamin E. And what are the different symptoms? Poor vision, loss of vision in darkness usually at night, therefore we call it night blindness sometimes, and complete loss of vision even at a higher stage. This all results because of the deficiency of vitamin A. Now vitamin B1 is part of water soluble vitamin. Now this vitamin B1 deficiency, it results in beriberi, and this results in weak muscles and does not provide a very sufficient energy to work, and therefore there is weakness of the muscles and weakness of the body due to deficiency of vitamin B1. The third deficiency disorder which results from the deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy, and this results in the bleeding of gums, and wounds take longer time to heal because of extensive bleeding, and therefore it is a disease which is resulting from the deficiency of vitamin C. Next is due to deficiency of vitamin D, which results in rickets. In rickets, the bones become soft and they become bent. So this is what vitamin D deficiency leads to. Now bone and tooth decay occurs whenever there is deficiency of calcium in the bones, and this results in weakening of the bones as well as the weakening of the tooth. Now deficiency of iodine, it leads to goiter, and this goiter leads to formation of some glands in the neck, and the glands which are present in the neck, one of them is thyroid gland, and this gland, they become swollen, and it also results in mental disability in children due to deficiency of the vitamin which is iodine. Now next is the iron, and this deficiency of iron, it results in anemia, and this anemia, it results in weakness. So these are the various diseases occurring due to the deficiency of various vitamins and various minerals.